Watch. You're making me nervous. Do you know how wide you are?
Huh?
Just be careful. Like how wide she is. Hi. How tight? Yeah, I was gonna say, how tight can you turn it?
Yeah, pretty much the same as I could on,
Hi, Miss. Are you having fun? You look like you're having fun. Do you like it? You say thank you? You kind of sounded like it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You to wave? No, you're just going to fall asleep? That's cool. All right. See you later. See ya. All right. Go ahead. Go on.
Am I riding again?
Yeah.
Do you want to give it a try?
Sure.